Captain's log, 11:22 a.m. December, I don't know, 9th or 10th. We're digging at Winter Storm Diego right now, and it's just starting to pick up. What a bunch of, oh, there goes my machine. What a bunch of fools. I can't even see my screen. Ryan and Richard are out there foraging for bullets in the snow. It's very peaceful out here. All right.
I'm with Miles today. He was kind enough to bring me to one of his permissions outside Richmond, Virginia, and I think I've got a cannonball in the hole. I've only found one artillery shell my entire time relic hunting, and I think I got another one right here. It's coming up as a 45 right now. It's pretty deep.
It comes up as a 36 on the
We're digging in the snow, but let's see what we got. I'm gonna try to be careful with this thing. There it is right there.
Yep, that's got to be a cannonball, man. There's no way it's not a cannonball.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, go deeper. Oh, you got it loose.
I think it's loose.
It's loose. All right, come on, cannonball. All right. Hey, go and try some more. Go a little bit deeper.
Oh, I don't want it. It's loose.
It's loose. Come on, baby.
There it is. Oh my God! Oh, it's heavy. Yes,
holy
baby! Yes!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Does it have a fuse or is it a solid shot?
God.
Right there. What's that?
Oh my God!
That's cannonball, man.
That's right. Getting it done. Woo!
Alrighty, I'm back at my picket post spot today. As you can see, the fields are extremely wet. This is just after Winter Storm Diego. We got about 10 inches of snow here, and on top of that, melting over the course of most of yesterday. We also got about 2 inches of rain last night, and it rained this morning, and I've got a couple bullets so far, and about 2 inches deep in this hole here. I just got a nice piece of hardware there, knapsack material. Can't remember exactly where this would have went, but that's only the second one of these I've ever found. Don't find a whole lot of knapsack hooks, so that's sweet. And I'm still in the same, I don't know, 50 by 50 foot area we've been hunting for a couple trips now. We're going to keep going. So what else we can get out of here? I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working with here. Try not to drop my phone into that puddle. I just opened that hole and look, it's just steadily filling with water. But whatever my signal was, it's kind of a bullet sounding signal. It could be trash, it could be something else, but whatever it is, it's out. Let's see what it is. Out of this muck. Is it? It's definitely out. Try that again. There we go. Thought I saw something. It's in my hand. Is that it? Yeah, that's probably it. Feels like, I can't even hardly see. It's a bullet. Actually, it could be case shot. No, it's some type of bullet. Cool. Covered in mud. We'll keep going. See you at the next hole. Just found something pretty neat here. A story of my life. I got the leg to a spur, just that little piece. I've got another leg at home, and I've had 2 spurs come up on my spots before, but I've never found a complete one. Who knows? Maybe it was deep. It was like it was right down there in the center. And it was down there, but it was giving a really good signal because it was. I guess it was laying flat, but I'm gonna see if I can't find the rest of it. Put that in the pouch. It's weird. I'm not finding a whole lot of bullets today. We usually find lots of bullets and very little brass. Today it's the exact opposite. Almost every target I've dug has been brass. We'll keep going and see if I can't get the rest of it. That would be nice. So I've been smelling a skunk all morning. I don't know if you can see him all the way down there, that little black speck right next to the road. There he is. I don't know what he's doing. Looks like he's like going after something in the ground. Maybe he's got a good signal. I don't know. Something deep. Ran off like a bullet maybe. And it sucks as I was about to walk this line because I found a couple gardeners here. I'm not really sure what I want to do now. Maybe I'll get a little bit closer and see if he runs off. And if not, then I'll probably turn around and go in a different direction. Alright, it's been kind of a slow day. Haven't really found a whole lot. I found a couple bullets so far since I last filmed something, but I think I think it is, if I have what I think I have here. It gets thinner as it gets to the bottom. I'm thinking a broken scabbard tip. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to get that checked out. If it is, it's obviously flattened. That's cool. Arm was getting tired from swinging. We'll keep going. Wow, that was a surprise. I don't know what this is yet. Ryan and I are, whew, I'm shaking. Ryan and I are out here at my picket post spot. My pinpointer just died as I opened this hole. I'm really glad I didn't hit this because I kind of went in blind. But we got a silver dime of some type sitting here. I'm waiting for Ryan to get over. He said, "What the hell have you got?" It's silver. It's silver. I think it might be old. Old silver, maybe. Let's see if we can see anything. All right. I see stars. I've been hoping for a seeded out of this field. I dug one. We found two seededs in the field next to us. It's silver. Dude, my pinpointer just died. Oh, okay, never mind. No, it didn't. My pinpointer wouldn't turn on, so I had to no, silver. Silver. Like old silver, I think. It might be seeded. All right, I'm waiting for Ryan to walk over here, and then we're gonna.
What do you got, buddy? What do you got?
I think it's gonna be seeded, man.
All right, man.
It might be. It might not be, but I see stars. All right, see it?
Oh man, that's awesome. What is it?
Come on. I'm not gonna rub it in the clay.
Ooh.
Huh. All right.
Silver, that's for sure.
All right. I'll be back momentarily with a bottle full of water. Let's see what this thing is. We're in clay, so I don't want to let's see if I can pull some of it off. Oh, dude. Oh my God, dude, this might be a capped bust, bro.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Dude, this might be a capped bust. All right, you got it in focus? Hold it sideways. Yeah, hold it side. You got it in focus? Oh, baby. Oh, baby, what is this? Is this a bust dime, dude?
Try to get a date off it.
Oh my God, it's a fucking bust dime. Holy cow. Holy cow, that's a bust dime, bro. Holy cow. Oh.
What's the date? Look for the date.
Oh, I'm shaking. All right. Dude, I've never dug a bust dime. I've got a bust half dime, but not a bust dime. 1833, baby.
Oh man, that's
1833.
Awesome. Nice.
Oh man.
Wow. What a nice dime.
I cannot believe that. I was hoping for a seeded. I was not expecting a bust dime. Dude, I told you I knew I saw something weird going on with the back.
You're a coin guy. You love those coins, so.
A freaking bust dime. Holy crap. Alrighty, Ryan just called me over. He said he's got a button. You're lucky. Buttons do not come complete out of this field. I've only got 3
it's
complete
smushed,
ones.
whatever it is, but
oh,
you can see
dude,
the shank on the back there. It's flattened. It's a coat.
Here, let's get a brush on that before it dries up.
You got the brush. You got a brush on you?
Yeah. Top little teeny pocket with my other cleaning stuff. Yeah. He is hunting with the AT Max. Look at that big honking coil on there. All right. Ooh, we might be careful with the gun brush. That's a stiff brush. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, I found the eagle eye coat down here. That's probably what this is gonna be. Huh. Got something weird going on. I wonder if it's a state.
I'm not worried about the back as much. Let's get that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. Let's have a look at the face real quick. I just want to see if I can see anything. That looks like a state button, bro. Here, we'll get it cleaned up off camera and give you a look.
No way.
Because
Alright,
it's
yeah.
got that oval.
Yeah, I did a quick Google search, and we do have a positive ID. We have a Connecticut state seal button. It's kind of crusty, but we should be able to get some stuff off of that. It makes sense, though, that a state button would come out of here. It's about time. Now we know who is here.
Connecticut guys, we're here.
Hey.
All right, you Connecticuters, whatever they call them. Connecticutians.
Let's keep going. All right, well, I just got this thing here. It was given a killer signal. I guess it's a knife. Look how green it is. Look, it's like turning my gloves green. Look at all, you can even see green. There's green on that glove too. Look how that's like the greenest thing I've ever found. Look, it's just coming off onto my glove. I guess it's a knife. I don't really know. That could be period. We're in a camp, so they had to cut with something, right? Maybe. I don't know. We'll keep going. Alrighty. Ryan's got about 7 or 8 bullets so far. I think I might have my first one of the day here. Maybe not. It's reading a little bit high and not very deep. We'll see if we can't. And there goes the machine. We'll see if we can't get it out of there. Alright. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand with a giant shovel. Alright. Let's see if we got it. Oh man, I just knelt in some clay. Wet clay. Not fun. Whatever it is, I got it right here. Just about. Give it a little pop. Alright. Should be out. Is that it? I think that's my signal. Looks to be, yeah. Looks like we got something brass. I'd say that's probably something period. I can't quite tell what it is because it's covered in clay. But it's probably something cool and probably clean up and turn out to be something nice. Let's keep going. Alright, Ryan just dug a bullet. I have not dug a single one yet. What are you up to, 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have a single bullet yet, but I'm getting on some brass today. What do we got here? Looky there. J-hook. I love these. I only find them here. I never find them anywhere else. There is still brass here. Heck yeah. Let's keep going. See what else we can get. Ryan's got a decent signal here. Let's see what he's got. He's digging a bunch of bullets. I'm stuck in camp lead zone. I got about 3 so far.
I think it's in the sidewall.
It's kind of hard to pinpoint with this freaking humongous coil, though.
Yeah.
It's like, it goes deep, but you don't really know where it is. Oh, it's in there.
Alright.
Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? It's a bullet. A 3-ringer.
Right on.
All right, getting it done.
Right on. Alright. Here are the finds for the day. Ryan freaking killed it on the lead, man. 29 bullets. And
the Garrett AT Max found it all.
yes, the Garrett AT Max, and he got it's kind of hard to see with the white background, but that is a Connecticut State Seal coat button, which is sweet because now we finally know who was here. We found some eagle eye buttons, but that's about it. Still got the shank on there. It's a little smashed flat, but it looks like it should clean up just fine. I did not find so much. I got what I'm assuming is a Civil War era pocket knife. I mean, that thing is so green. Look at that. Piece of brass, no idea. It could be. It looks like it could be part of a sword scabbard. One of the little brass pieces. I don't know. I only got 5 bullets. A D-buckle, random piece of brass, J-hook. I love finding J-hooks. A little bit of melted lead, and that thing was my first hole in this field. 1833 capped bust dime. I mean, this thing is. I mean, look at it. Oh my God, it's a fucking bust dime. Holy cow. Holy cow, that's a bust dime, bro.